Now on KPIX5 and streaming on CBSN Bay Area, the California Air Force sergeant suspected in the ambush killing of a Santa Cruz deputy is now charged in the shooting death of a federal security officer in Oakland. The link in the two cases: this white van. Good afternoon. I'm Michelle Griego.
And Ellen Keyes, the FBI, making the official connection this morning. Let's get right to Ann Makovec at the live news desk with the latest on this. Ann.
Now, they say Steven Carrillo was a passenger in the white van at the time. They say he used a homemade machine gun in both of these killings, and that he appears to sympathize with a group called Boogaloo, which is a fringe group that believes there's an impending civil war. Here's a look at the scene that night. It was May 29th outside the Oakland federal courthouse after federal agents say Steven Carrillo shot and killed Federal Protective Guard Pat Underwood. They say Carrillo was in a van driven by his accomplice, Robert Justice Jr. of Millbrae, who is also charged with aiding and abetting the killing. They say Justice cased the area on foot. There was an active Black Lives Matter protest going on at the time, then came back and drove the van as Carrillo opened the sliding passenger door and opened fire.
Carrillo elected to travel to Oakland to conduct this murder and take advantage of a time when this nation was mourning the killing of George Floyd. There is no evidence that these men had any intention to join the demonstration in Oakland, as some in the media have asked. They came to Oakland to kill cops.
So federal agents got a tip that the van in question was found in Ben Lomond in the Santa Cruz Mountains. And when Santa Cruz County Sheriff's officers went to serve a search warrant on June 6th, that's when they say Carrillo shot and killed Sergeant Damon Gutzwiller. The federal attorney says Carrillo used the same firearm in both killings, a machine gun made from untraceable parts known as a ghost gun with a silencer on its barrel. During his attempted getaway from that Ben Lomond shooting, they say Carrillo wrote words on a vehicle in his own blood. And the FBI says those words, as well as a patch he wore with a modified American flag, indicates that he is part of that boogaloo movement. Now, in addition to the state and federal murder charges Carrillo is now facing, he's also facing attempted murder charges because the partner of Pat Underwood was shot and injured in that shooting in Oakland. And if he all gets the maximum penalties on all of this, he could be facing a potential death penalty. I'm Ann Makovec at the Live News Desk. Back to you.